You may have heard that superfoods are super important for patients with kidney disease, as the food you eat directly impacts your kidneys' health. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishu, and in today's video, I'll be talking about top 9 foods that will help you repair your kidneys. Well, as you know that diet plays a major role in managing your kidney disease and to slow down the progression of your disease as well. So here are the top 9 kidney friendly foods. Number first is cauliflower. Cauliflower is a great low in potassium vegetable that has fibers, vitamin C and folate. It also contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is a versatile option that can be used as a substitute for potatoes, making it a go-to kidney-friendly food. Number second is blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that helps to reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. It is perfect as a snack and can be added to your smoothies as well. Number third is cabbage. Cabbage is another great low in potassium vegetable that is rich in fibers, vitamin C and vitamin K. Also, it helps fight the harmful free radicals also and supports your kidneys health. Next is pineapple. Unlike many other fruits that are high in potassium, pineapple is a safe and tasty option for kidney patients as it is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, making it a refreshing addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Next is apples. Besides pineapples, apples are another great option for your kidney-friendly diet as they are also low in potassium. Apples also contains fibers that helps to lower down your cholesterol levels, and it also helps to reduce your blood pressure. Next thing which you can add in your kidney-friendly diet is seeds. So in addition to fruits, you can add seeds in your kidney-friendly diet as well, like chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, as they are rich in antioxidants and minerals that supports your kidneys functioning. Next thing to add in your kidney-friendly diet is onions. Onions are low in potassium and they are rich in antioxidants that helps to reduce the inflammation in your kidneys, and it also helps to control your blood pressure as well. Also, they are natural flavor enhancers that can be added to your meals without the use of salt. Next thing to add in your kidney-friendly diet is green leafy vegetables, as they are low in fats and calories and they are packed with essential minerals and vitamins that supports your kidneys health. Last thing to add in your kidney-friendly diet is red bell pepper. It is also a natural flavor enhancer that can be added to your meals without the use of salt. It is also low in potassium, phosphorus, and is rich in antioxidants like lycopene and fibers that supports your kidneys health as well as your overall health. So these are the top 9 foods that will help you repair your kidneys, although there are many more. So diet is really important in order to maintain your kidneys health as well as your overall health. Thank you.